I just wanted to vlog my feelings this morning, 24 hours before I take the leap of faith. There's no filters, there's no lighting, there's no script. It's all go time. Big thank you to everybody that's been supporting the journey, supporting the channel, watching the vlogs, sending messages of support. Absolutely beautiful. Thank you very much. If you've been watching the channel, you'll know that this is my last week of being in full-time employment. And if you're tuning in, basically this week, I'm taking the leap of faith of starting my own business and investing in myself and focusing on the effort. And tell you what, right now, less than 24 hours left. Today is my last shift as a full-time employee. And I thought I'd just give you an update that, you know what? My emotions are all over the place. This week has been like a roller coaster ride for me emotionally, and you know, I'm quite blessed that the family's been very supportive. They've not made me feel that I'm doing the wrong thing, and I'm quite lucky, very blessed. But let me tell you what's been happening this week. It's been quite an eventful week, so let's get into it. This week I've been winding down at work, so that's been quite an emotional thing as well. But at the same time, I've been focusing on my mindset. This week has been absolutely, for me personally, my personal side of stuff, my mindset has changed. I've been waking up every day at literally 6 o'clock in the morning. I've signed up to a personal trainer. I've been hitting over 10,000 steps every day. And I've actually lost almost 2 kg in my weight, and that's the shift of the mind. Because you know what, by 8 o'clock in the morning I've got 5,000 to 8,000 steps done. I've got a workout done with a personal trainer. I'm eating a lot more healthier, and I'm actually, last night I was quite shocked. I got to bed by 11 o'clock, and that's probably the earliest I've got to bed in the past 6 months. And I had a solid sleep. I've had 7 hours sleep, and that's my personal side of stuff. But the key thing there is it's 8 o'clock in the morning right now, and I'm ready to go. And I start work in 2 hours time, and I'm gonna walk it to my office, and it's gonna take me about 45 minutes to 50 minutes to walk there, and I'll clock off 7,000 steps. So, but the fact is, usually I'll be waking up at this time. I'll be jumping in the shower and having some breakfast, and 9 o'clock is when I'll be ready to leave the house. But right now, in this new current mindset, this new form that I found, I know it's only been a week, but it feels like amazing. And this new form that I found, this mindset, I'm ready to go out and smash everything. That's my personal journey side of things there. I've lost weight, I'm eating healthier, I'm feeling good, I'm ready to hit the world. What is it they say, the early bird catches the worm. So fantastic. That is been an amazing motivational week for me. So that's my side of the journey. It's not been all motivational this week, because like I said, it's been a roller coaster ride. It's probably about 2 days ago, and I should have pulled the camera and vlogged it. I was in a very low place in terms of thinking, am I doing the right thing? And I'm not just saying that to make this vlog interesting. The fact of the matter was that 2 days ago, me and the missus were sitting down and we were looking at our bank account, and it was almost at zero. Our monthly expenditures had gone out, and we had to go shopping for food. And with literally 2 days left for our next wages to come in, with me and the wife, we were like, wow, what happened to our account? And at that very moment, I thought to myself, am I doing the right thing? Because if I'm taking this leap of faith of going from leaving my full-time employment down to working minimum hours for the employee, that's another thing. Being sensible about it, I have reduced from full-time hours down to the bare minimum at my workplace, so I can focus on the content creation agency. To two reasons. First of all, I love the job that I was doing, right? It just didn't give me the creative control over my time and my income the way I would like to. other than that, I got no complaints about my job. I loved what we do. It's a cause that I really believe in, and a job that I truly loved, and the team that we have there is phenomenal. But there's just that extra bit of having control of my own business that I really wanted to do. So that side of it, that's number one. Number two is that staying at the job I have, but on minimum hours, it offers that little bit of sense of security, that little bit of backup that hopefully should keep everything going while I dive headfirst into the content creation. So that was quite emotional 2 days ago when our account just went right at the bottom. And I was thinking, okay, I've spent all this money on this new equipment, got the basic essentials in, and I literally thought to myself that what happens if it doesn't pick up? I was hit with what a lot of content creators and influencers and people who are making vlogs, they talk about the imposter syndrome. Imposter syndrome. I can't even say it properly, man. It's a scary word. But I got hit by that, thinking, am I actually good enough? Am I gonna be able to get clients? Am I gonna be able to earn money to support my family? That was quite a scary thought. Even just saying that out loud right now is quite a scary thought. But I've got my current clients, all the new clients I'm meeting tomorrow, and there's more clients. I've been making my lists of people that I can cold call. I'll be calling them up. I'll be physically going out and meeting them. And at the same time, I'll be showcasing my work on this channel and on my social media pages. If you're not following my social media pages, please find me. It's Gold Beard Media, and give us a follow. You'll support the effort and help me, and especially when on Instagram, TikTok, and all of those pages. There's no income from that for me. This is just so I can vlog the journey, because do you know what? I know there's thousands of people out there in the same situation as me, that are in circumstances in their life where they got these dreams and aspirations, and they feel that they can't fulfill them because they're in a position where they got responsibilities and duties. You have to fulfill your responsibilities and commitments of paying your bills and making sure your family's taken care of. So this is exactly where I am at. This is exactly what my thing is. I have got responsibilities, I've got those bills to pay. But what I did is made a little pot of security, made those savings, that regardless of what happens with the content creation agency, I've got a little tiny nest egg of backup that'll keep everything afloat for a month or two. And basically, I'm against the clock now. I've got to follow through with everything I believe in. So I believe that I can go out there and get clients. I've got a month or two to go and get those clients, get the work done for them, and get paid for the services. What I prepared for tomorrow, I'm looking to hit the ground running. It's my first day as an entrepreneur, focusing on the effort. My first day tomorrow. I've already organized a couple of meetings. Tomorrow, it's gonna be a big day, because I'm actually going to check out a new office for my studio. I'm going to be a meeting with two new potential clients, so that's quite exciting as well. And I'll be doing a bit of a vlog, experimenting further with the new equipment that I bought. So yeah, it's all go time. I might be rumbling and bumbling, but as you can see, I just wanted to vlog my feelings this morning, 24 hours before I take the leap of faith. There's no filters, there's no lighting, there's no script. Just wanted to capture the raw feeling. So anyway, please continue to subscribe. Please continue to follow the channel. Thank you for the amazing support, and continue to watch the journey. Take it easy. It's Gold Beard Official. Stay tuned.